This is a great time to talk about precious metals since they are going down in spot price, but not in bullion price. So let's go over that right now. So right now I'm on APMEX.com showing you guys that some of these common silver ounces is still sitting at $24, $36 for a 1 ounce American Silver Eagle. Now, if we check the spot price for these things, like spot is sitting at $18 and you're buying up here. So it's like a $6 spread. Very, very big, because everyone who's watching the markets on the precious metals world sees that this is a good time to buy. Because if it does head down, spot price head down to 14 or even the 12s, then the buying is going to be even more absurd. So instead of the spot price, instead of the market price being for some of the silver ounces being at $24, $30, we might be seeing $30 to $40 for those same bullion. Now, the reason why I like to talk about why bullion is important, because they're great hedge, they're great hedges for inflation. They're actual money, not fiat currency, and they actually have value. Now, well, I'm going to get some other details when it comes to the gold-silver ratio, and the reason why I bring this up because the gold-silver ratio has been predominantly right now as having 87 ounces of silver to get 1 ounce of gold. So for me, I'm buying much more silver than I am gold. I think it's more important to get that now before it becomes unattainable, and the market price might skyrocket based on these things. So if we look at the history of silver, you can see that silver was much cheaper in the past, but this big push down, this big manipulation, is a great time to buy, I believe. And when it comes to the trading markets, I also think that it'd be a great time to trade this too by entering just cash positions like SLV or stuff like that, and basically hedge even more to get on that upside even higher. Because I think we're going to be definitely buying, silver will be definitely selling over the couple hundreds in the next couple of years, especially with this manipulation happening. But that's one of my thoughts when it comes to silver, and if it goes down even lower, I'm going to be buying even more. There's multiple ways about buying silver. I've talked about in other videos. You guys can have them linked below. But let's check out gold. You can see that gold, was in the 2000s. It's kind of like a double top. Now it's heading down lower. It's being pushed down. But if gold, gold's sitting at 1620 per ounce. Look at some normal gold. We got 1700 for our gold APMEX, 1836 for American Gold Eagle, just a random year, and that's significantly $200. It's really, really high off the bat. So we have a very big spread that I think that people are analyzing, that they gotta have yield somewhere. You gotta have something doing good, and precious metals, the actual physical metal, is, in my opinion, is going to be start heading higher and higher and higher, and then they get to a point where your purchasing power exceeds everything else. Because what many people perceive is that, if precious metals go down, or your portfolio goes down too. Well, if everything goes down by 30% and precious metals go down 10%, then you're still winning, because you're not doing bad as everything else, because you still can sell the gold and still buy more of everything else. Now, when it comes to when it comes to the economy, guys, I do have some stuff on my website you guys want to check out. I do have it linked. It's not all the way finished, but these links are precious metals and commodities. So check that out, guys. I hope that this brought you guys some value. I always buy off of APMEX, so if you guys want to buy from APMEX, please check them out. Wonderful website. Websites like JM Bullion, Providence Metals, Gold Silver Bulls, also good, and goldsilver.com. Also great places to buy precious metals. So please check it out. Tell me what you guys think about this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.